Hi, I'm Dana Taft. Power walking is great for your health and for your mind. Here are a few techniques to help improve your power walking form. To start, let's come into what I call true north alignment. As you stand, you might notice that you have a tendency to lean your body forward, or maybe you lean your body back. I want you to ground down through the four corners of your feet, stack your heels right underneath your knees and underneath your hips, and press into the ground evenly. Lift the crown of your head so that your tailbone can descend and your shoulders can relax down your back. This true north alignment will get you standing tall before you go out on your power walk. The next technique is I want you to draw your attention into your core. Let's activate the core as you walk. You'll do this by embracing your core each time you lift a leg. So as you lift your leg, it's almost as if you're crunching your core in. So as you power walk, pull your core in and feel activation take place with each step. The next technique I would love for you to add to your next power walk is intentional breath. This looks like not shortening your inhale, but intentionally lengthening your inhale and breathing out of your mouth as you power walk. Similar to this. The more vigorous your breath, the more you will get out of it as you power walk. And the last technique I want you to add for your next walk is movement of your arms. That's right, with your arms bent, relax your hands and get those arms moving across your body back and forth. That's right, move your arms.